Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Begin now, place your paper or canvas flat, tape edges if desired, and mix a light wash so pigment flows easily. You sketch the flower's center and 5 petals lightly. This gives structure without heavy lines. Then load your brush with diluted color and paint from the center outward to create natural petal gradients. Once the center is wet, the pigment will feather. This creates softness. Make sure to keep the brush tip controlled for petal edges so shapes remain distinct. Once the base is dry, start layering to add volume and texture. You glaze with slightly stronger pigment. Wait a few minutes between passes so layers stay translucent. Use a medium brush for laying broad petal planes and a small pointed brush to pull veins and highlights. This contrast makes petals believable. When placing shadows, apply a mix about 20 to 30% darker than your midtone under the petal fold. Also tap edges with a damp, clean brush to soften transition. Finish by sharpening the focal areas. Paint stamen and tiny filaments with a concentrated small brush stroke so the eye has a center to rest on. Then add crisp highlights, either with a fine brush and opaque white or by lifting pigment with a damp brush. This brings shine and form. Once done, step back and assess contrast. Boost shadows if needed. If paint pools or looks muddy, immediately lift with a clean damp brush or blot gently with paper. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.